Hey guys, Marcellus with Buckeye Goldens coming at you with this little fella named Mac. So Mac scored a 3 on the Bullhorn test. He's a very cute little fella, has a gorgeous dark red coat on him, full of life and energy. Scored a 3, so he's a very well-rounded little guy. Did really well with stability, and yeah, Mac will do well in a variety of settings. He did really well with the stability, which is opening an umbrella in front of him. Just kind of looked and observed and came a little closer investigating. So Mr. Mac will do well with kids, will do great with just a variety of different settings, and will be an eager learner. So this is Mr. Mac. Come here, Mac. Come here, buddy. It's okay. Yeah, buddy. Hey, you. You. Puppy.